Hi, this is Adrian from ProposalPoint, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can choose to hide the photo gallery when you're creating a proposal. So this feature has just been requested as some properties don't have a lot of photos available. So in those cases, you don't want an empty looking gallery. So first of all, I'm just going to show you where the gallery is located on a proposal. So here you can see your hero image, which is the main or first image for the property in the gallery. And then below the map, you have the gallery here with the extra photos. So if you didn't want to show that gallery, you can go into the proposal and edit it, or when you're creating it, in the property details section, down where the photo gallery is, there is now a tick box below that, which will be ticked by default, and it says display photo gallery in the proposal. So if you untick that and then have a look at the proposal, you will now see that the hero image is still visible as there is an image in the gallery, but below the map, there is no gallery, and it just goes straight down to the next section. So thanks very much for joining me. And if you have any questions, please just get in contact with us.